Look. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. I got lost a while ago because of my Zoom. Okay, let's go back again. All right. Let's read all your answers, honey. Let's start with number
1.
one.
He can skate. 2.
Two,
She can sing.
three,
3. He can read. 4.
four,
He can sleep. 5.
five,
He can drink. 6.
six.
He can eat.
Very
Can
good. Great job, honey. Now let's have this one. Let's have the gold miner game. Let's have the gold miner game, honey. Let's start. Whoa. Which one do you like?
teacher.
Yes, it's 7:40, honey. We still have, oh, honey, our time is 1 hour. We have 1 hour class. We have, hold on, wait. I will explain it to you. Your aunt said that we will have 1 hour class. So our class will end at 6. Here, honey. Look at my message. Yes, okay? All right.
Yes.
Let's go. You have to find, okay, you have to choose one, honey. What are you going to choose? Who are you going to?
Ruby.
Ruby. What can't he do? He can't. What can't?
He can. He can sleep.
Very good. Great job. He can sleep. Next one. Choose another one.
Diamond.
Diamond. What can't he do?
He can skate.
Very good. He can't skate. Choose another one.
Ring.
Ring. What can she do?
She can eat.
Very good. She can eat. Next. How about the next one?
Go.
This? Okay.
That.
What can he do?
He can run.
Very good. Next one. Choose another one.
A box go.
What can he do?
He can read.
Okay, he can read. Oh, another one. 2 or 6, 7.
Is what? Why teacher?
Okay. Okay. What can't he do, Duck? What can't
He
he do?
can't walk.
Very good. He can walk. Another one. Is it 2 or 6?
Money.
This? Okay.
No. Two.
It's okay, honey. What can he do? Okay, it's okay. It's okay. There's just 2 left, actually. So let's have this. What can he do? He can.
He can skate.
Very good. He can skate. And lastly, we have the last one. What can she do?
She can sing.
Very good. She can sing. Okay. Honey, can I go to the toilet, Duke? Can you wait for me?
Yes.
Okay, wait for me. I will just go to the toilet. All right. All right, we are already done with this one, Doc. Let's have spelling. Let's have spelling, honey. Get your paper and your pen. Okay.
White.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go now. Now, let's have the first one. You spell the word skate. Skate. Very good. Okay, next. You spell the word eat. 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 Very good. You spell the word sleep. Sleep. Very good. That is the word sleep. Next. You spell the word sing. Sing. Very good. Honey, how about this? The man, okay. You write a sentence using the word sing. You have to write a sentence using the word sing. Honey, sing, sing, sing. This. Here. Look at here. Okay. What is that? Can you read it? Can you, my aunt is singing. Very good. Great job. Okay. Next. How about the word drink? Make a sentence using the word drink. Sentence. Okay? Vivian is drinking. Very good. Okay. How about sleep? Sleep. Kyo is okay. Kyo is sleeping. Okay, how about eat? Make a sentence using the word eat. Eat, 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 eat. Where? Okay, very good. Great job, honey. Okay, that is it, honey. Now, since we are already done with that material, we are now going to have another one. We have a new material, Dok, okay?
Yes.
Yes, teacher's going to open the next material that you're going to have. Look. Okay, we have 10 minutes left, honey. 10 minutes left for the class. But, honey, look. But we're going to repeat the previous lesson when Vivian arrives, okay?
Yes.
Nhưng chúng ta sẽ ôn lại bài học trước khi Vivian đến nhé.
Okay?
Yes.
Yes. So that she will be able to catch up everything.
Tomorrow we
Để
will
cô
end.
ấy có thể
Go
bắt kịp
here.
mọi thứ.
Yes. But our next class will be on Tuesday.
Nhưng tiết học tiếp theo của chúng ta sẽ vào thứ Ba.
Okay? So,
Yes.
let's have this one, honey. We have here new vocabularies, and this is still about the actions. You are still going to have the topic about the actions. And again, say it again one more time. Duk, you say actions.
Actions.
Very good. Actions. Okay, so we have here the vocabulary, honey. We have here the words. We have the first one.
Wash my face.
Read the first one. Wash my.
Wash my face.
Very good. Wash my face. Okay. I wash my face. Can you say, I wash my face?
I wash my face.
Face. Okay. Do you wash your face, Duk? Duk?
Yes.
Oh, okay. When do you wash your face?
Bạn rửa mặt khi nào?
Bạn rửa mặt khi nào?
Morning.
Morning. You say, I wash my face in the morning. You say that. I wash my face in the morning.
I wash my face in the morning.
Very good. Look, is it important to wash our face?
Rửa mặt có quan trọng không? Rửa mặt có quan trọng không? Quan trọng.
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
It is important. It is important
It is important
to wash my face.
to wash my face.
Yes, we have 6 minutes left, honey. 6 minutes left. Okay. Let's have the next one. How about number 2, honey? What do you think is for number 2? What's this? What is that?
Brush my teeth.
brush my teeth.
Very good. Do you brush your teeth? You say, I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Are you sad, Duke? Duke,
Yeah.
are you sad? What's this? What is this? Okay. All right. Here, honey. When do you brush your teeth?
Bạn đánh răng khi nào?
Morning and
Morning.
night.
Very good. I brush my teeth in the morning and at night. Can you say that?
I brush my teeth in the morning,
The morning.
and at night.
Very good. Okay, let's have number 3. What is this? Walk my
Walk my chair.
Walk the dog.
walk the dog. Walk the dog. Okay, you say, I walk the dog.
I walk the dog.
Very good. Do you have a dog?
Look.
Duke?
No.
Oh, do you want to have a dog?
Looking.
Do you want to have a dog?
No, I want a cat.
Oh, you want to have a cat? Cat is
Yeah.
nicer. Oh. Oh, this is a dog. Okay. Now, how about this one, honey? How about this? It's
Feed the cat.
feed the.
Feed the cat.
Very good. You say, I feed the cat.
I feed the cat.
Very good. Next one. How about this?
Clean my room.
Clean my room.
Duke, do you
Look,
clean?
I have this.
What? What do you have? You have like, yeah, I know that. A vacuum cleaner. You have a vacuum cleaner. Do you know how to vacuum? Do you know how to use that?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Duke, are you still there? Duke? 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 Where is Duke now?